You guys, I won a new Bugatti. Yeah, like this one. I got a text an hour ago that it's being delivered to my house any minute. My neighbors are gonna freak out, yo. Oh my God, it's here. This is so exciting. What the hell? What the hell is this? Gillette Heated Razor Bugatti edition. Well, I do kind of have to shave, so might as well check it out. Probably would have gotten stolen out of my driveway anyway. Hey, this is Rob the Picky Daddy, live from my bathroom with another review of the best stuff to waste your money on. And yes, I know nobody actually believed that I had won a real Bugatti. It's hard coming up with new material every week, you know? But I am excited to check out this Gillette Heated Razor Bugatti edition. I've actually had my eye on the Gillette Heated Razor ever since it came out, but could never really justify spending $200 on a razor. And besides, I had already come up with my own heated razor hack. But the price has come down, and I did have an Amazon gift card burning a hole in my pocket, so I figured, why the hell not? The whole concept behind the heated razor is actually pretty intriguing to me. It's supposed to take you back to a simpler time when guys would go to an old-timey barber shop for a shave, and they'd cover your face with a scalding hot towel, and you'd lay there hoping, praying that the barber wasn't some homicidal maniac who was either going to suffocate you with that towel or slice your neck open with a straight edge razor. Yeah, good times. The whole premise behind a hot towel shave is that the steam is supposed to open up the pores on your skin so that it can remove all of that nasty dead skin, oils, and dirt from your face, while at the same time softening up your facial hair to give you the most incredibly smooth and comfortable shave. Now, you can't get that same kind of service at a Supercuts, not that you'd actually want to, so it can be pretty tough to find some place that still offers a hot towel shave today. And so the Gillette Heated Razor tries to mimic the hot towel by delivering a steady stream of heat through this unique warming bar. The question, of course, is whether that's worth the $169 that I would have paid if I didn't find that Amazon gift card buried underneath the couch cushions. First off, the packaging makes it feel like you're getting a real premium product here. Like if I actually drove a Bugatti, this is the razor that I'd want to be shaving with while driving around in it. Though, come to think of it, I'd probably get shaving cream all over the place, and then when I was cleaning it, I'd probably crash the car, which would make the Kelley Blue Book value go way down, so scratch that. The original heated razor comes in a more gold bronze type color, while the Bugatti edition comes in this sleek blue with the Bugatti logo right on the handle. It definitely gives off a sexy vibe, just like the actual car. Especially when you compare against a typical everyday razor like my Gillette Fusion 5 here, which now feels more like my mom's old 1983 Volvo station wagon that I had to use duct tape to secure the front headlights to. Yeah, that's a true story. The heated razor is certainly bigger than a regular razor, in part because of the included rechargeable battery that powers the warming bar. The charging puck is also pretty hefty, and if you end up hating the razor, I suspect you could probably reuse it for hockey, but don't quote me on that. The razor charges wirelessly by connecting it to the puck magnetically, with white LED lights blinking to indicate that it's charging. The instructions say that when you first take it out of the box, you should let it charge for at least an hour before using it, but that it can take up to 6 hours to fully charge, unless of course you can figure out how to connect it to a Tesla supercharger so it charges in about 5 minutes. Once it's fully charged and you're ready to shave, you simply press the power button here, and heat is quickly sent to the warming bar. Like the original heated razor, there are two heat settings. The default is orange, which heats the razor to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, but you can also then drop it down to yellow, which drops it down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, which I guess is good if you tend to fall asleep while shaving and you want less of a chance of burning your face off. The starter kit that I have here comes with two cartridges, the one that's already attached to the razor and a spare. Now, as you can see, the cartridges have 5 blades, just like the Fusion 5, However, these are special blades just for the heated razor because they have to integrate around the warming bar. So if you have a lot of Fusion 5 blades laying around, you're basically SOL with this. One thing that I don't like is how you change the cartridges. I mean, removing a cartridge is pretty easy. You just flick this lever up and it pops off. But because the blades are integrated with the warming bar with this notch, you have to kind of snap it in place around it. And because it swivels a little bit, it feels like it's going to break. At least the first time I tried it, it felt like it was going to break. I checked the instructions to see if I was doing it wrong, but surprisingly, the instructions don't say anything about how to replace a cartridge. I even had a buddy of mine in France read the directions in French to make sure that they didn't just leave it out of the English version, but this is what he said. No. Alright, well my face isn't going to shave itself, so let's take this bad boy for a test drive. So I do feel like I got a much smoother shave compared to my Fusion 5 razor. You definitely feel the heat from the warming bar, but it's not overpowering. In fact, unless you deliberately pressed the warming bar up against your face and held it there like a branding iron, it's not going to burn you. And trust me, I tried that and it does burn, so don't do that. Since time travel isn't possible, I can't go back to the 1950s and compare the heated razor to a classic hot towel shave, so it's hard to say if this is on the same level or just a silly gimmick. I will say though that I did feel like I got a really good shave out of it, and I will continue to use it. Would I have spent my own money on it? Well, I do like wasting money, so probably. Now, if you'd like to test drive the Gillette Heated Razor Bugatti edition for yourself, there's a link down in the description so you can buy one right now. And if you do pick one up, leave me a comment and tell me how you like it. If you like this video, then speed on down to that subscribe button like you just stole an expensive sports car and you're trying to outrun the cops. For now, I need to go find the next best thing to waste my money on. So until next time, this is Rob the Picky Daddy. See ya.